Hey guys, it's Diamond from the Oppenheimer Ranch Project. We're up here at one of our hives, the English garden hive. I'm putting on my other glove here. And we're gonna go in here and we're gonna check out the new queen we put in here just a few days ago. Now I checked one day after I put her in and she was still in the cage. A couple things I'm noting is that the bees are a little bit calmer, maybe. Let's see if that maintains. And the queen is out. And that is why everybody is calm. So what I'm going to do is just come in here, harvest this queen cage. This is an Italian hybrid, and she's out. Now I'm going to adjust the frames. And close up the hive. Simple as that. I'll be back here in a few days to check on her egg production, but for right now I'm going to let her do her thing for a few days. One other thing I need here is to readjust this front. Yeah, we'll have to do that when we take the hive apart, so I need to do a little hive adjusting there. So the queen is out, the bees have calmed down, and she's probably laying eggs. We'll be back in a week to check out how this queen is doing. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel. Remember, if you need to requeen your hive, you have some time. You have a week or more if there's food in there. Keep your bees fed and order a hybrid queen online. It'll ship out for 3 of them for $100. I only bought one, so it cost me $50 delivered. The more bees we have, the better. Pollinators are the key to the future. They also generate tons of money. So, raise bees, eat honey, make money. That's a boom. Someone's pulling up. Subscribe to the channel. Share this with like-minded people. Be safe.